hold on a second, I got my boss online. Hey boss, this is the thing that's been following me all day long. And oh, it's you? What is it? The new sales drone. What a great idea. No, I don't mind wearing the body cam. The more information you have, the better off I am. What's that? The drone gives you real-time surveillance on me? You guys are geniuses. You silly goose. What do I need autonomy for? Now you can pretty much see exactly what I'm doing all the time. You're recording my calls, reading my emails. Where would I be without all this supervision? In science, there's this thing called the observer effect. What it means is when you observe somebody, they behave differently than when you don't observe them. Maybe better, maybe worse. And the other element of sales that we got to remember is that autonomy is one of the critical characteristics to creativity. And if you don't give people the autonomy to become very good at something, they won't. So remember, there's a big difference between surveillance and leadership.